Welcome to Advanced Driving Tuition. In this video we're going to do the stop sign. The reason many students fail on this stop sign, that is very easy. What they normally do, if we go around before we move off, we're gonna do a 6-point checks. So no one's there, so I don't need to give a signal to move off. So the reason most of the students fail, because you can see the stop sign coming up ahead, and there will be a marking on the road, and there will be a written the mark stop sign on the road as well. So if you look at the stop sign over there, red sign, red mean is ordering you to do this. Then they will see this stop written on the road here, says stop. So what they normally do, they stop just here, and that would be the straight fail in the test. So what we need to do is go close to the line, which is the stopping line, then look right, look left, look right, look left, look right, and look left. So 3-second rule applies here. Is clear to go, so we join the road there. So it's very simple. We check the center and the right mirror when you join the new road. So it's very simple. When you're at the stop sign, you make sure you stop for 3 seconds and observe both way, right, and left. When it's clear, you're okay to go. But if you think something is blocking your view or is a block junction, then you can creep forward, slowly moving forward, and then you can deal with the junction.